Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a spicy anchovy dish. This dish is very easy to make. We'll be needing 300 grams of anchovies. This I washed and I'm rinsing it to remove the debris. And then I'm going to heat a pan up with some oil and I'm going to fry the anchovies. You can use the same pan if you like. And the oil that I use for frying, I'm using the same oil because it's already flavored with all the anchovies that we fried just now. And now I'm adding in 1 large onion. We're going to cook this until the onions are translucent. Keep stirring it from time to time. Once the onions are soft and translucent, now we add in 1 tablespoon of chili powder. We mix this well until all the onions are coated with the chili powder. Now we add in salt to taste. And here I'm using 3 large tomatoes which I've diced. We're going to give this a nice mix and we wait for the tomatoes to soften. So it should be like this, all soft and mushy like this. Now I'm adding in 200 ml of coconut milk. This is thick coconut milk. Mix this and let it come to a boil. This will take roughly about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to add in the fried anchovies just now. And give this a good mix. If you like it dry, then you keep stirring it until it becomes dry. If you like it gravy, then you can always turn off the heat. You can enjoy this dish with rice. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Happy cooking and bye for now.